Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm super excited to show you our 2-foot linkable shop light. Now, some of these features are really gonna impress you, so let's take a look. Now, each light comes with 4 tubes filled with the latest in LED technology, and this is gonna give you a whopping 7,500 lumens. Now, unlike those traditional shop lights that are expensive to run, this is gonna consume up to 90% less energy. Now, because these are LEDs, this is gonna produce little to no heat. And you won't have to worry about bulb burnout because this is rated to last 50,000 hours. Now, each one of these are equipped with a motion sensor, a timer, and a switch to control the motion sensor. When the switch is in the 1 position, the motion sensor is off and the light will stay on. And when the switch is in the 0 position, the motion sensor is activated and it will turn on once it detects motion. Now, with the stepless timer dial, you can choose for the light to turn off anywhere between 50 seconds all the way up to 5 minutes once motion is no longer detected. Now, if you don't want to use the motion sensor, you can connect this to a light switch or a power strip so that you can choose when to turn on and off the light. Now, that brings us to my favorite feature, which is that you can actually link up to 4 of these lights together to satisfy all of your lighting needs. And there are so many different places you can use these, like the garage, the basement, your workshop, and so much more. We even use these as studio lighting. Now, it is important to note that when these lights are linked, they will still retain their respective light settings. That means if you want the lights to work in unison, you will have to set the settings in the exact same position on all 4 of the lights. Now, another feature you're gonna love is that there are a couple different mounting options, plus the hardware is included. You can choose to mount this so that it's flush with the ceiling or so that they're hanging down. Now, another feature that I really like is that the color temperature of the lights is a little bit on the warm side so that my environment is warm and inviting. Now, if you've ever tried to buy overhead shop lighting, you know just how expensive they can be. But with our incredible deal, you're gonna wanna pick up a bunch of these. So head on over to the site to see your special price today.